Okay, hey, hi, everybody. Open the curtains. Open the curtains. The public can't see me. I need to be seen and heard.
Huh?
What's going on?
What? Hold on just a minute. We ain't supposed to be on yet.
Wrong curtain. Now open the right one. Come on.
Huh?
No, not the stage on the right stage, my stage, the correct stage. Come on.
Sorry, folks. Looks like Looney Bird messed up the wiring again.
Hey, this is my skit, not yours. Looney Bird, when are you going to fix the curtains?
I'm working on it.
Uh-oh. Well, it looks like we had some technical difficulties on our end. What Rolf was gonna say was we'll be back to perform in just 2 minutes.
Did you hear that, Earl? They stole my spotlight, robbed me of my fame.
Deal with it, nerd.